In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chat and customize its appearance. First things first, let's get started by heading over to chat.google.com. If you prefer, you can also access Google Chat directly from within Gmail. It's up to you and what you're most familiar with. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not, just follow the prompts to enter your credentials so that you'll have full access to all the features. Now, once you're settled into Google Chat, let's take a closer look at how to tweak the settings to suit your preferences. Up in the upper right part of your screen, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is your gateway to a range of customization options. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up the Settings menu. With the Settings menu open, you'll see various options on the left-hand side of the window. The one we're focusing on today is the Appearance. By clicking on this, you'll be able to choose between the light and dark themes that Google Chat offers. The light theme is great for a more traditional look, providing that classic white background. It's perfect if you prefer a bright and unencumbered look for your chat window. On the other hand, the dark theme can be easier on the eyes, especially if you're someone who has to spend hours in front of the screen. Plus, it adds a sleek, modern vibe to your chat interface. Alongside the theme options, you'll also notice you can adjust the density of your chat view. You can choose between comfortable and compact modes. The comfortable setting gives you a bit more breathing room between messages and is great for those who like a more open and less cluttered interface. The compact option, however, is excellent if you prefer to see more messages at a glance, conserving space and giving you a more concise view. It's important to note that, unlike Gmail or Google Meet, Google Chat doesn't currently support custom chat backgrounds. This means the main way to personalize your chat experience visually is through these theme settings. While it may seem a bit limited, the themes and density options still offer a good level of customization to tailor the experience to your liking. And there you have it. That's all there is to accessing Google Chat and making it your own by adjusting the visual settings. Whether you choose a light or dark theme, comfortable or compact density, you've now got the tools to make Google Chat optimized for your personal comfort. Happy chatting, and stay tuned for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching.